Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that for your Photomath app. So all you have to do in verse, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do in the next you just click on apps here. You will find apps, click on it. So then you come to next step here and there you're looking for Photomath app. Or just click on search. So then here at Photomath, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then you come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.